Hi there, welcome back. Hope you had a great Christmas and New Year holiday. We sure did. I am in the process of putting our house back together from being gone and just all the things, unpacking and whatnot. And I was kind of bit by a creative bug. It happens every once in a while that I just feel the need to make something, and life kind of stops whenever that does happen, because if I don't make time for it right then it'll get put off and put off and put off and put off. So since I need to make a mess anyways to do it, and my house is already a little untidy, I took the opportunity to jump on it. And what I did is I made a new cover for my Bible. I currently have this big green canvasy looking one, and it's really bulky on the front, and it doesn't let my Bible open up and lay flat, which my favorite Bible is the INTERLEAVED journaling Bible, and it's got, you know, it's a pretty hefty, oh gosh, sorry, I'm trying to move it here. Hefty, bulky, wide Bible, and I draw in it and write in it and all the things, and if it doesn't lay flat, it's kind of tricky. So I made a new cover for it, and I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. It serves the purpose I intended it to, and I originally was thinking I'd make like a wrap around to, you know, I really want a leather wrap Bible cover, but I didn't have anything to make a wrap out of, so I ended up using just one of those really little button snaps that I had in my little sewing box of stuff, and it works great for now, but I still do want to make a leather cover. So anyways, I thought I would film as I did it and see how it turned out, and then share it in case it inspires somebody else or gives you an idea for your Bible cover. So here you go. Okay, so I have a lot of background noise because the boys are feeling squirrely, but here is my very not so great. I've got some crooked stitches, but it's still better than my rabbit chewed edges, and it will help my Bible last. But I'm quite happy with how this turned out. I had the thought in my head and had the materials and decided to execute it, and I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. So it's just a very basic book cover. I do eventually want to try and do this with real leather. Our best friends, he does leather tooling and has all the tools, and he was totally down with helping me make a leather Bible cover. But until that happens, because we're both busy families, this is what I am going to use. So I just did kind of like an overlay edge over here, and then in the back just a little scalloped edge. This was where it was rolled up with a rubber band, so there's, I don't know, that might relax, it might not, but that's okay. And then I just did like a free-handed scalloped edge on this end. And then I want to make, I was thinking like a wrap, but I might try and find how to, like maybe a snap or something to hold that closed. But in the meantime, it's not going to bother me too much, and I will figure something out pretty quickly. So that was my I feel the need to craft. I'm going to make a Bible cover and just do it, kind of crafting. That's how I roll. Thanks for watching.